changes are happening. Alright, well, as you can see, construction has started. Last time you were in here, there was stuff in here. So we've moved ahead and started our next big project, and that's going to be garage remodel. So we're tearing down this old, it's actually just a carport with walls on it, and so we're ripping all this out, and then we're going to be building a proper garage, extending it out past the front of the house and back to where the existing wall is there. Follow along. We're going to be putting up a time-lapse video and posting video footage for that. You can watch the progress. Ooh, starting to get a little shaky here. Yeah. All right, just about ripped off. Looking good. Okay, so after a good day's work, we got the roof all stripped off. Now we just need to work on tearing the rafters down. We'll need to take the blocking out, get rid of these pieces here, deal with this piece of electrical. The box is already disconnected, so we just need to pull the wires back and tie them up in the ceiling. And then, yeah, strip the studs down, take the remainder of the carport structure off, or down, and get this cleaned up, and then it's on to the next phase, just busting this concrete up. It's unfortunate because it's a really nice pad, but unfortunately we have to pour a new stem wall, a proper foundation for the garage. So the rebar for the stem wall has to tie in to the pad. So in order to do that, we have to bust this all up and re-pour it. It's unfortunate, but we're going to try and recycle as much as possible. We're going to use the chunks of concrete here as infill for the driveway, so not completely wasted. We try to recycle as much as we can. we are. Another fine day on the work site. Gotta love some of that Pacific Northwest sunshine. You know, it's the good stuff. So, got the nails pulled. We need to transfer them over to our lumber rack over there. I gotta get this old table saw out of here. Then we just need to clean, sweep, pick tools up. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, so we have this silt fence here. We got to finish putting around the perimeter. We got the temporary dog fence set up here, but I'm just going to run the silt fence right along that. That's for all the erosion control stuff that the city requires. I got some straw wattles that I have to get stuffed with straw to put out by the drains, and then once all that stuff's done, then the city can give us a quick inspection for our erosion control stuff and stormwater prevention, infiltration, all that fun stuff. Let's see what else. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it. But today we're gonna get the rest of this frame taken down, nails pulled, get all this stuff out of the way, get this pad cleaned off, get these boards put out of the way, get the silt fence put up. So yeah, that'll do for today. Keep moving forward. Fun. And for those of you wondering, like, oh no, the siding, no, don't worry about it. All that siding's got to be ripped off anyway, because the side of the garage is going to be attached to the house there, so not too worried about it. Yeah, fun times. Yeah. So finally got the rain out of the way. Now we can continue on without getting drenched. We gotta get this much cleaned up. So, yeah. More nails to pull, more boards to clean up. So, I won't bore you with the details. Let's just get this done, okay? Yeah, much better. Still a lot of work to be done. So I get these straw wattles put in place, and then that'll be good for the day. Thanks for watching.